I'm slightly embarrassed to admit this. I have never sanitized my freshwater tank. Ew. So my camper's been in storage for a couple months. I'm sure that there's been something growing in there. My 59 gallons needs 7 ounces of bleach. All right, I'm gonna take this diluted water and see if I can. It's definitely not working perfect, but it'll do the job. I'd highly recommend getting a new funnel before you do this. All of my funnels have oil on them and I didn't want to use them. I went to sleep and the next day I drained all that bleach water out, and then I did one more flush through and drained that water out, and now that next tank is good to go. I'll leave the link below if you want to bleach your own tank. After doing that, my water tastes way better. It's also nice just to have peace of mind that my tank is clean. It was kind of a pain to sanitize my freshwater tank, but I'm really glad I did it because my water is tasting so good now. While we're on the topic of water, you can get a Brita water filter thing, but those things have always fallen out of my fridge and broken, so I stopped buying them after like the second or third one. This needs to be like all the way up. These little water filters. So if your gray water tank starts to smell like sulfur, you know that you need to change this water filter. And I started getting the bigger one, and I started getting the Walmart off-brand one. Look at this bird right here. Just don't leave water in this overnight when it freezes so it doesn't crack and you have to buy a new one. I had to come to a campsite last night because my batteries were dead again. This cold weather is the cold weather in my furnace going all the time is killing my batteries. It's really nice to just recharge, get a nice shower in the campground, get all my batteries charged, refill my water, which didn't need too much filling. When I go places and fill up, I always have this extra jug of water. It's like a 3 gallon, and it has been a lifesaver to have that extra bit of water. Also, if you're in Phoenix, don't ever drink the water. It tastes like dirty dishwater. That's all I got for today.